Hello everyone. Today we are going to spend some time exploring digital learning within the context of Education for Sustainable Development, often referred to as ESD. Across the world, education systems are being asked to respond to some of the most complex challenges humanity has ever faced: climate change, biodiversity loss, water scarcity, food security, inequality. These are not small or isolated problems. They are deeply interconnected challenges that shape how societies develop and how ecosystems function. Many of these global priorities are captured in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. The SDGs provide a shared international framework for building more sustainable and just societies. Now, education plays a critical role in this transformation. But responding to sustainability challenges requires more than just teaching. It requires helping learners develop the knowledge, skills, values, and competencies that allow them to engage with complexity and change. And this is where digital learning becomes particularly interesting. Digital technologies are changing how knowledge is produced and shared. They are transforming communication, collaboration, and information exchange across almost every sector of society. In the context of education, digital learning is increasingly recognized as a key enabler for transforming education systems. But this transformation is not simply about introducing new technologies into classrooms or moving courses online. It is really about understanding how digital learning environments can support the kinds of learning processes that sustainability education requires. So, in this session, we will explore key dimensions of how digital learning supports sustainability education. First, sustainability competencies. One important competency is systems thinking, which involves understanding how social, ecological, and economic systems interact. For example, in food systems, we see connections to water use, soil health, biodiversity, economic livelihoods, cultural practices, and global trade. Another competency is anticipatory competence, the ability to imagine different future scenarios and consider the consequences of decisions. Digital tools can support this kind of learning through simulation, scenario analysis, and collaborative exploration of future possibilities. A third competency is integrated problem solving. Addressing sustainability problems requires knowledge from many different fields. Digital learning environments allow learners to access diverse resources and engage with multiple perspectives from around the world. And this leads us to another important dimension: accessibility and equity. Digital learning can significantly expand access to education. Traditional systems often depend on physical presence. Digital learning helps reduce barriers related to geography, work, or economic circumstances. Online courses, webinars, and open educational resources allow learners to participate regardless of their physical location. This also supports lifelong learning, which is essential as sustainability challenges evolve and professionals need to update their skills. However, access to reliable internet and digital literacy varies. For digital learning to be effective, these inequalities must be considered. Now, another aspect relates to how learning happens. ESD places strong emphasis on active and collaborative learning. Sustainability challenges involve dialogue, reflection, and collaboration. Digital platforms can support these critical social learning processes. Online discussion spaces and collaborative documents allow learners to engage with one another in meaningful ways across regions. Digital environments also support challenge-based learning, where learners investigate real-world problems like climate adaptation. Institutions are developing frameworks to integrate digital technologies. These address infrastructure, teaching practices, and digital citizenship. When these frameworks align with sustainability strategies, digital learning becomes part of a wider institutional effort to transform education. Finally, digital technologies are not only tools for learning, they are also subjects of learning. We must explore their influence on sustainability. Digital tools support biodiversity monitoring and climate response, but they also require energy and generate electronic waste. Learners need opportunities to critically examine both the opportunities and the ethical challenges associated with digital innovation. Ultimately, digital learning is about more than just delivering content. It supports collaboration, access, and the development of core competencies. It prepares learners to actively shape a more sustainable future. Thank you for participating in this session on digital learning in ESD.